Hello, welcome to today's video. I'm Giselle and I will be your host. I'm such a weirdo. Today's video is not gonna be super long, I hope. I don't think it will be, but I am so in love with the way this look turned out. You guys, like, I am freaking obsessed with it. I'm not gonna do a swatch on this palette because it won't do it justice, right? Like, all you need to know is that it's amazing, okay? Like, I am freaking obsessed with it. I also got the highlighter in Fuego, but since that one already came out with the last one, I don't think anybody's really excited about that, but I do have it on, girl. So let's just get into the tutorial so you can see how amazing this palette is. All right, let's get this show started. How beautiful is this palette? Oh my God. They did an absolutely amazing job. I'm going to jump right into it. I'm going to start off with this color right here. And this is Churro. I love me some churros. And just like a small fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to add this to my crease. It's super pigmented. Oh my gosh. And this is a beautiful color. Wow. This is a beautiful transition color for women of color. But it doesn't have a ton of red in it, so it's not super orangey. I feel like all of my favorite transition colors are like in this family, but they pull more of that red orange to them, and this is like a real brown. And I keep packing it on, not because it needs more, just because I love it. Like, I love the way it goes on. It's so buttery, and the color is so pretty. This brown is beautiful, you guys. I have a tiny little bit of fallout, like very, very minimum. Just gonna brush it away. It's like tiny little bit. I am so obsessed with the way this brown went on. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, girl, let's keep it going because I'm just like mesmerized. So next, let's go in with this brown right here, which is a darker brown, and this is Jeans, this one right here. And I'm gonna go in with the same brush, and I'm just going to darken my crease a little bit more. And I'm just pressing the color on the crease and bringing it down towards the lid a little bit. I intended to keep this mainly on the crease, but that didn't happen, but that's okay because this is gorgeous. I can already tell you that I'm going to do a ton of looks with this palette. Today I'm going to keep it kind of simple, but I'm definitely going to come back to it again. I am loving this color right here right now, and this is Just a Kiss, and it's so pretty. Look at that. I'm just gonna use my finger because this just looks like the type of shadow that would do best applied pressing your face. Oh, bitch! Oh, girl! Wow! In my Flavor Flav voice. Oh my gosh! I'm so freaking obsessed. I just want to keep packing it on. Like, I don't even need it. I just want to pack it on because it just seems like the right thing to do. I'm shook, y'all. And I don't really use the word shook, but I'm shook right now. I'm going to go in with that little brush I was using, and I'm just going to press, where's this one again? Jeans. In between so it can blend a little bit more, but not a ton. I just want it to blend. I didn't have to do much. Get this palette. Get this palette. Now I'm gonna go back again with Churros and Sheen, and I'm gonna start with Churros because it's a little lighter, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna keep this smoky, like a smoky brown look. So I'm gonna go in with Churros, and I'm gonna apply that on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to use Sheen, and I'm just going to deepen this a little bit more. So I'm going to do my lashes and mascara, and we'll be back to try on the highlighter. So here is the finished look, you guys. Now we're going to add some highlighter, and I didn't get the new one, something about the sun. I got Fuego because I had heard so many good things about Fuego, and I had been wanting to try it, so I didn't do the other one. I might still buy it though. So to finish my eyes, I used a pencil from Pixi, and this is their Endless Silk Eye Pen, and it's in the color Black Blue. This is what it looks like. It's like it has a bluish hue to it. And then for my eyes, I went in with this gorgeous shade right here, and it's called A Moment. I felt like the look was missing something, and when I put that blue eyeliner on, I was like, oh my god, that purpley blue shade would probably look amazing on top of this, and that's what I did on the inner corner. For my lips, I wish I had recorded it because I didn't think it was gonna turn out this good. I used quite a few things. Of course, I'm going to have everything listed below, but these are the items I used. I used Cork, Whirl, and Chestnut from MAC, and I went from lightest to darkest in like a gradient effect. And then I went in with this mauvey pinky lipstick from Colourpop in Trap. I love this lipstick. I've had it forever. And then I went in with a lip gloss from NYX. It's a their Glam lip gloss. Can I talk? This NYX Glam Lip Gloss Aqualux in the color VIP, and the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in Champagne Glam. And I'm gonna have everything in the description, of course. So I'm just going to put Fuego on. I haven't tried it on my skin yet. Let's see. Yep. This is what highlighters should look like. Amazing. Super buttery. It's just blending in with my skin. That's gorgeous. I forgot to tell you guys what lashes I have on, and I have the Lily lashes, and these are Mykonos. I don't know how to say the name of the city, but these are the lashes that I have on, and they are super pretty. But this is the finished look. Like, I am vibing with this. I'm vibing with it. This palette is absolutely freaking gorgeous, and I cannot wait to create more looks with it. I'm like so in awe with it. It's absolutely beautiful. Everything from the packaging to the way it feels to the way it looks, the color selection they chose to go with, they did an amazing job. Let me know in the comments below if you picked up this palette or any of their products, or if you are planning on it. Let me tell you, this is one palette that I'm like, you need it. I know everybody, you know, we're makeup junkies here, but this one I'm like was worth every single penny that I spent on it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It was kind of quick. If you have any questions about any of the products that I use or about the look or whatever it may be, go ahead and leave it in the comments. As usual, you already know, if you have not subscribed yet, I don't know how you made it all the way to this point and you didn't hit the subscribe button. That's disrespectful AF. So I'm gonna give you a second so you can do it. Make sure to like the video too though. And I will see you guys on the next video. Ciao.